You got one?
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Dude, nice. Oh. You're gonna get us in trouble, dude.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another fishing adventure on the channel. Today we're doing a multi-species trip here out on the local lake, trying to get after some bluegill, largemouth, and smallmouth bass. Now, we've only caught smallmouths this year, so we're hoping we get that lucky largemouth that'll bite and hit and strike really hard. Let's see if we can't get after him today. Let's check it out.
First cast, no fish. There ain't nothing here.
I'm gonna get this close real quick.
Okay. They got light in a hurry.
What's up?
So they got light in a hurry. It was dark like 10 minutes ago. Like pitch dark. It's pretty accessible. It's right, I mean, I know right where it's at.
So have you gone there a bunch?
I've never fished actually there. It's on my list, I think, next year.
They do a fishing derby there the first weekend of August.
A fishing derby?
Yeah.
For what?
Bass, I'm assuming. I don't know.
You got one? Nuh-uh, stop it. Stop it.
Oh.
Dude, you got it right there. It's a bluegill. Oh, no way. Oh, you weren't expecting that.
I was not expecting that.
What? Dude, that thing didn't tug at all.
No, it did. It did.
It did?
But so lightly.
Dude, that's crazy. Where's my phone? Dude, that thing didn't tug hardly at all. Wow. Big or small? Come on.
I'm just like, the lure is almost the size of the fish.
Here, you want me to get my pliers? Maybe that's what we saw over there by the other side was bluegill. Well, that lure is a bluegill lure then. Here. Oh. Gonna jump on the battery. Maybe those were bluegill over there you marked on the scanner. Hey, we didn't get skunked. Nice job, dude.
Appreciate it.
Nice. I was like, you got one. I was like, your rod's not bending very much. That was actually a pretty decent bluegill. You could have fried that up for dinner.
If we were.
Danger zone right here, dude. You've got a fish on and you've got it hooked on the Castmaster. Hang on. Is he still there?
Yeah.
Hang on. Bring me the Castmaster. Hang on. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, you're free. Get rid of that one.
Oh, baby.
What do you got?
It's a smallie.
It's a smallie?
Yeah. Why am I not recording?
Dude, that is a big smallie. Man.
Fish on!
Oh.
Ooh.
I loosened my drag because.
Yeah, just dude, take some time, play with him. He's gonna do his thing. I didn't see him when he came up to the surface. You saw him.
Oh my.
Got him in the back.
That's because he's moving around.
Oh, wow.
He spit the hook.
Is that a smaller or large? How can you tell?
Small largemouths have like this.
Is that bigger than the ones from last week?
No.
No? Dude, nice. Oh, yeah. See you, dude. Put up a fight. Nice.
Smallmouths, that's what they're known for.
Finally got a bass. Woohoo! Yes! On the scoreboard. Well, Richie's on the scoreboard. I am not. I think we'll stick it out here for a little bit. Got the whole spot to ourselves. Shh, don't tell anybody.
The cast master's giving you all kinds of trouble today. It must like that shad jig 'cause you keep cooking it. You got one?
Yep.
No.
Yep.
Dude, nice. Oh. You're gonna get us in trouble, dude. You hurt your hand?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, what'd you do?
I smashed it reaching for it.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah.
Largemouth. That's a largemouth, baby.
Yeah. Oh. Don't get out of there. Do you want me to grab him?
I'll grab it.
Dude, money. You talked about you wanted to catch a largemouth today.
I know.
Look at that.
Yeah, baby. Largemouth.
Look at you, dude. Here, hand me.
Oh, you got him?
I was just about to say, let's see if who catches one first, us or that guy. Oh, you got him twice. Look at you,
That
dude.
baby's a largemouth.
Facebook flatbounder. Dang, dude. Look at you. That's a female too. Look at the belly on that thing. We just you casted to the left of that tree, right?
Oh yeah, dude. Right by that tree.
I was just casting over there. Which one did you catch it on the shad again?
Shad again, yeah.
The heck? Where'd it go? Ah!
Pooped on me.
Oh. Look at that. See, little buddy. You're so nonchalant when you caught him today. You're just like, oh, fish on. Just so nonchalant. All right, so should we switch to the shad color? Nice.
But no, the first one I caught was my biggest.
He's just fishing off that point over there.
Did you see the stripe on that one?
Yeah,
That's how you know it's a large.
got it.
I mean, granted, the mouth size is significantly larger also.
Yeah. Multi-species. You got a trout and you got the trifecta out here. Sunfish, bass, and a trout. Heck yeah.
All right, guys, just wrapping up a day here of fishing. We got here before the sunrise. It was complete dark here this morning when we arrived at the boat launch. We were the second boat in the water. And what I tell you is we started and kind of just trolled around, went everywhere, and we were doing a multi-species target today. And sure enough, we got a bluegill, smallmouth, and a largemouth all in one day. So we got out, did some different fishing today. You know, it's late in the summer here, starting to get warmed up, trying to figure out the fishing. The water has been dropping like a foot every other day, which has been hard to kind of figure out what the fishermen wanted to target going after, and then just kind of exploring different areas to try to figure out where the bass and the bluegill are hanging out. But another awesome day of fishing.
The outdoors is a gift. Share it with others.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.